Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a very similar program to the one that we did last time, which was area of a circle. Today we're going to be doing an area of a rectangle, so it's pretty similar. And as you remember, last time we learned int, double, and other primitive types. So I really recommend you guys look through W3 school and understand the meaning behind it and how many different ones there are and why they're useful. So let's do file, new Java, and then write our name. Let me make this bigger. Okay. Now let's start off with our program description. This program will compute the area of a rectangle using variables to store values and using the formula area equals length width. Okay, now let's move on to our public class statement. So public class area of a rectangle. Now we do open parentheses, this is space, close parentheses, tab over, and then write our main method statement, which is public static void main string open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and then tab over again. And then let's do our variables. So we have a length, so we can do double length, my bad, length. Then you can do a double width and a double area. If you forgot what double means, double is basically, it can be a decimal, meaning it can be like 9.476 something, 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 on and on. So in this program, it doesn't really matter what you do. You can do int, meaning an integer like 1, 2, 3, like to 100 or like 1000, like that, like a whole number. But for this program, I'm just going to do all doubles, but it's up to you guys if you want to do int for this program instead. But now let's start with assigning what length can or should be. Let's say length equals 12, and then width equals 9. And then don't forget the semicolon at the end. Then area equals length times width, semicolon. Now we can do system dot out dot println the area is space and then plus area. I'll explain this after I'm done writing it. Units square. Okay, so what I just did here was I said, okay, the area is, and I told the compiler to, like, when you're compiling it, like when you run the program, essentially to whatever value you got here and put it here. So like I can't just say the area is 72 units squared because I don't even know what the area is yet, right? So I'm telling the program, okay, so this is a specific length, this is a specific width. Now give me area, and when you give me area, put it right here. So then it is the area is, let's say 108 units squared because 12 times 9 is 108. So now let's compile this program to make sure it runs right. So save, and the operation is complete. Now let's run it. Right here, the area is 108. Let me make this bigger for you guys if you can see it. The area is 108 units squared, and it says 0.0 because we're doing doubles, but let's say we did ints instead. Because I really want to show you guys the difference, because like me, when I first started doing this, I got really confused with like, why are we doing different int and double? Why don't we just do double for both? Or like for the program essentially. Let's compile it, make sure it's saved, and then run it. And then you can see the difference. This is when we had double because it gave us a decimal. But this is when we had area, which just gave us 108 units squared. So let's try something different now. Let's try something big. 576 times 234. Let's see what that gives us. Compile it and then run it. This is what we get. 134,784 units squared. Let's see if this value is true. So we're going to do 576 times 234. And that's what we get. 134,784 units squared. Hopefully this program was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.